Hello, my name is Christina Aguirre from the Feria High School Advanced Culinary class, and today I'm going to be making some dirt mix that consists of Chex, Cheerios, M&Ms, chocolate, and pretzels. So first off, we're going to start with 2 cups of Chex mix, 2 cups of Cheerios, 2 cups of M&Ms, 2 cups of pretzels, 'So I melted some chocolate, and now I'm gonna pour it over to make our dirt mix. I'm gonna mix. You could also use the spatula to mix it, just in case if it's too hot. Okay, now you can let it sit for a minute and enjoy. Merry Christmas.